Gaurav, your interview is going to be on which date?
Tomorrow, sir, at
Tomorrow.
9:15 in the morning.
Oh, tomorrow. Good. So, what is the degree you are studying now, please?
Now I'm studying in Bcom, sir.
Bcom. So, which subject is your favorite subject in Bcom?
In Bcom, economics and accounts, sir.
Economics and also accounts. Acha.
Accounts.
Now, can you tell me what is the relevance of Monetary Policy Committee to economics?
Relevance of monetary.
Monetary Policy Committee. The relevance of Monetary Policy Committee to economy. In what way? First of all, for answering this, you have to tell what is Monetary Policy Committee, what are its functions, in what way is it connected with the, say, the economy.
No, sir, I'm not aware of this.
Why? It's a very simple question. Hello, you are a
Yeah, sir.
commerce student.
Yeah.
Did you study about RBI and all or not?
RBI functions I have studied, sir.
In that, did you not come across monetary policy committee?
No, sir.
Why? There is a chapter on monetary policy committee. It tells about that there are 6 members, and Reserve Bank of India governor is the chairman of that, and all that. You must study that. The relevance for this monetary policy committee and economy is that Monetary Policy Committee is a committee which is determining about the repo rates, increase in repo rate or decrease in repo rate, or retaining the same repo rate, depending on the inflation in the economy. If the inflation is very high, then the repo rate is being increased. But recently, what happened in April, the inflation was considered less than 6, that is 5.66 or so. So so our RBI retained the same repo rate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what do you know about RBI?
So RBI is a bank that controls all the commercial banks, sir, and it has various kinds of functions like issuing of currency notes and coins. It alone has the permission to print the currency notes in India, and it is also called as clearing house, wherein it helps in check clearance, and it is also called as bankers bank as it regulates all the commercial bank, and it also provides various kinds of loans to the commercial bank. And another function is that of a banker to the government, wherein the central bank acts as the agent of the government, and it also advises the government for amending and making of various policies that are helpful for the economy of India. And it is a also called as a custodian of the foreign exchange, wherein RBI has control over all the international currencies, and it controls. It's another function is credit controller, wherein it controls the commercial banks loan giving in various ways like bank rate policies, repo rate policy. In this way, it controls the credit.
What is the present foreign exchange reserve position roughly?
Present foreign exchange reserve. No, sir, I'm not aware of this.
Somewhere around $585 billion.
Okay, sir.
BILLION, billion, 100 crore,
Mm.
$585 billion, roughly. It goes on increasing, decreasing marginally, but right now the rate is $585 billion.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, this foreign exchange reserve, having more of it is good or having less of it is good?
I think having more of it is good, sir.
Why do you say I think you are not sure about it?
Yeah, I'm sure about it, sir.
Then justify in what way it is beneficial for having more foreign exchange reserves?
So if we are having more of foreign exchange, so we need not depend on any other countries for purchasing of any kinds of goods or services. We can directly use the whatever the reserves are present with us.
Mhm. Hmm. So what are the uses to which foreign exchange reserves will be put to?
Various kinds of uses for importing of various goods which are not being produced in India.
Hmm.
It can be used in this basis.
Mhm. Hmm.
Can I add any other points?
No, which country is having more foreign exchange reserve?
America.
No, 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 no. Never,
Not
never.
America.
No, I think it is
Uh,
China or so. Let us see.
China or
Um,
America? Sir? I'm not.
no,
I'm
no. So
confused.
America नहीं है. America तो borrow always deficit. America, it's a rich country, but it is always in deficit. 1 minute.
Okay.
Google .com. Just a minute. Somebody is calling.
Yes.
Hello. Hello. Good evening. Kavita Killi Vallabha. உங்களுக்கு எப்பமா டைம் கொடுத்தேன்? 7 o'clock தானே. No problem. You come and you wait. I am now in Telegram. I am now in Zoom. நீங்க Zoomக்கு வர முடியுமா? Right. Link அனுப்புறேன். Yeah, 1 minute. Hold on. This another candidate wants to join. Yeah. Gaurav,
Yeah, sir.
what was the question we were discussing? Some deep question we were discussing.
Foreign exchange reserves. So
Foreign
which
exchange
country?
reserve. What is that? Which country is having more of foreign exchange reserve? Google. Google.com. Countries with high foreign exchange reserve. China. China is the country which has got the highest foreign exchange reserve, followed by Japan. I am giving the link of Wikipedia in our Telegram page. I am
Not
giving.
in Telegram.
If you are not in Telegram, what you can do? Go to
You can add
Wikipedia.
me, sir. Can you just add me?
You can go to Wikipedia and find out countries with foreign exchange reserves.
Fine, sir. Fine.
The top country is China, followed by Japan, Switzerland, Russia, and fifth place is India.
Okay.
Fifth place is India. Good. Now, next question for you. Tell us about your family.
So my family is a nuclear family which consists of 4 members, including me, my mom, my dad, and my elder sister. My dad is working currently in Southwestern Railway. He's a gazetted officer of accounts officer. And my mom is homemaker, and my sister is currently studying in Ireland.
Good. Now, in which bank are you having an account?
SBI, sir.
Good. What is the difference between State Bank of India and Federal Bank?
So State Bank of India is a public sector bank, sir, and Federal Bank is a private sector bank. And State Bank of India, wherein the stake is more concentrated towards the government. Government controls everything over there. And in Federal Bank, stake is in the hands of private individuals, and private individuals controls the Federal Bank.
Now, why do you want to join bank as a clerk? Now, if you join as a clerk, it may take about 4 or 5 more than that for you to get promoted. Will you be happy in serving in your own state and with a low salary like 35,000 or 40,000? like that. Will you be happy with that?
Yes, I'm totally comfortable to work in bank. The main reason why I'm applying for this job is that I have heard a lot from my seniors that about Federal Bank. They have given me a lot of positive reviews and remarks about Federal Bank, and I have also heard that it provides a lot of opportunities to improve my skills, and I will also be able to contribute a lot to this bank. And another thing is that. The talking about my I'm in my initial period of my starting at my career, so it would be better for me to start with a reputed bank like yours.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Now, please tell me, what do you know about Federal Bank and what makes you choose Federal Bank? Tell me in detail.
Yes, the Federal Bank is one of the most competitive and pioneer institution in India. It comes under the second schedule of commercial bank under RBI Act 1934, and it was founded by uh, KP Hormes, and the current CEO of Federal Bank is Shyama Srinivasan, and the chairman is uh, Balagopala, and Federal Bank currently has 1,372 branches and 1,364 ATMs, and it has 552 cash recyclers, and there are more than 16 crore happy customers for Federal Bank. And Federal Bank's headquarters is located in Kochi, Kerala.
Wrong,
And
wrong. Number of bank branches is 1,335.
no,
Thousand
sir,
number of no no
1,372. So I have checked
that
it
is
in website.
banking outlets, that is known
Okay,
as banking outlets, which also include um, e e-banking places, where you can e-kiosks. It includes that also. So
so
you
I
can,
say only
yeah,
outlets. Should I say it
yeah,
outlets?
say banking outlets, you say. That means
Okay,
it
fine.
includes 1,335 branches plus electronic kiosks of our Federal Bank also. That's one. Number two, there is one more mistake you did now. Um, uh, one more mistake. Can you repeat the points you said?
Founder
Branches,
name.
founder name and all correct. Then
Okay.
Shyam
Right.
Srinivasan also correct.
Yeah.
Then what
And
else?
Chairman Balagopal,
Correct. That is also correct.
and
Some
happy customers more than 16
ah,
crores.
that is wrong. Now happy
So how many?
customers are 1 crore 60 lakhs.
1 crore 60 lakhs. Okay.
So that is a mistake. Many
So
people
shall I say it more than 1 crore?
no. You can say 1.6 crore.
Okay, 1.6 crore.
See, many candidates they take it as lakhs. They used to tell me 16 lakhs because they will not see the digits properly. But you have seen that as a crore. That actual figure is 1.6 crore.
That's what I was having doubt. I didn't check it properly again.
Yeah, that's okay, fine. No problem. So now coming to
Okay, so this much information is enough, sir, or shall I add the tagline like your perfect banking partner and the award which they have received?
you can add that also. And if you know the deposit advance figures as on 31st December, you can tell. You can also tell about the awards received. You can also tell about say
Tagline.
tagline, okay, awards received, achievements made, and tell why do you want to join, that it is considered as the greatest place to work in Asia, 63rd greatest place.
And
Some
another point I missed, sir, like it is one of the first bank to digitalize all the branches in India.
Yeah, that is correct. That's good. So these are the points, but you have to tell about the business position. What is the total deposit of Federal Bank?
No, sir, I'm not aware of that.
I have given you in the
2 crores?
2 lakh crores.
2 lakh crores. Yeah.
Don't, you should not do mistakes like this.
So I'm weak in remembering the
No,
numerical sums.
you told crore as 1.6 as 16 lakh. Now you
Yeah.
are telling 2 lakh crore as 2 crore. So in banking, and not only in banking, everywhere, figures are important. You should understand it properly
Yeah,
and
sir.
not commit big mistakes. Now, please tell me how you will be a helpful factor for the bank. How you will be of help to the bank.
Okay. So I can be helpful for the bank in various ways, sir. Like, first of all, I am good in my communication skills. Recently, I have joined the Six Weeks course for communication, business communication skills. I have improved a lot in that. And second thing is that I'm also pursuing negotiation skills. This is the most important thing for a clerk, so that he can use his convincing skills to sell various kinds of policies of the banks. So this is what I'm pursuing currently, and I'm also good at my interpersonal skills, which is helping me to mingle with any kind of people, and I'm also able to travel a lot. Traveling is my passion, so I love to travel a lot and explore places, and I'm also interested in learning new skills, and I'm also a quick learner.
Mhm.
So in this way I can help and contribute to
What,
towards the bank.
what are the states you have visited apart from Karnataka?
Apart from Karnataka, I have visited Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh, and
Hmm.
Bihar.
So, what is the current news in Uttar Pradesh about some murders? What is the
Yeah, in
news?
Uttar Pradesh, two goons have been killed. One was Atik Ahmed and another was Ghulam Ahmed, and his son have been encountered. They were big murderers and serial killers. So they have been encountered 2 days back ago.
What is the NIM of Federal Bank?
NIM.
Uh, what is the NIM of Federal Bank? Did you go through the? I think you are not studied that. Say mm, financial details and all properly.
Yeah, sir.
Finance, financial results. In that financial results, in the last year, say the latest year, they will be telling you about the performance highlights, third quarter, press release. If you see the press release,
In which
that
material it is, sir? Apparachit?
no, it is there in our bank website itself.
Okay.
Say, for example, I am showing you.
In glossary.
Yeah, no, not glossary. See, first you have to go to financial results. Under financial
Okay.
results 2022-23, under that quarter 3, under that press release, under that press release.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah. What is your cell phone number?
94810.
Okay. I am giving the link there. You take care of it. And also I am giving the link in paid group. Okay. If you
Yes,
if
sir.
you if you see there in the press release, it is all given. See, net profit is 804 crore. Operating profit is this much. Return on asset this much. They will ask you details like this because you are a commerce student.
Yes, sir.
And here they have told net interest margin. That is the question I was asking. Net interest margin is increased to 3.49%, higher by 22 basis points. GNPA and NNPA are down to 2.43% and 0.73% respectively. This alone is not sufficient. you must know what is NIM. Net interest margin means what?
Mm-hmm.
Then you must know what is NPA, what is GNPA percentage, what is NNPA percentage. If you do not know, you search in the Aparchit material I have given. Otherwise, if you are not getting, go to Chat GPT and just make a search. It will give you idea. Net
Okay,
interest,
sir.
net interest income means, see, the bank is paying interest on its deposits. So it is incurring some percentage of total percentage of expenditure for the deposits. But when it is lending money to borrowers, it is getting interest from the borrowers. And
Mm-hmm.
the difference between these two is the profit. And that is known as net interest margin. And that interest margin has improved this year to, they have told, 3.49%.
So for clerk position, will they go so for
This one
details?
they can ask because you are a commerce student.
Okay.
Now tell me, what are the responsibilities of a bank clerk?
So the responsibilities of the bank clerk are to take care of the records and maintain the accounts of the banks, and to maintain a good relationship with the customers and try to convince the customer to buy the policies of the banks, and also to another clerk's responsibility is to explain the policies and process of federal bank, and
No, in all, you should tell to welcome the customers with a smile, explain the various schemes, persuade them to open accounts with us, and do cross selling. That is, if one comes for A product, you try to sell B product, C product also to him, and also carry out the instructions given by your branch manager, help the branch in deposit mobilization and in recovery of NPA and all that.
so I'll
Okay,
prepare it again.
very good. Good, best wishes. This is the first round of interview for you. You have not done well, but you
Yeah,
have to read a lot about banking. You have to read about current affairs also. Go through current affairs snippets that is given, and prepare yourself well.
so I did
Best
not got that current affairs. Could you please share it to me again?
current affairs snippets. Are you a member of Telegram? No.
Yeah, I have installed Telegram, but you haven't added me over there.
No, no, I'm giving you the link once again. You just join. Then if the request comes, I will add you. Okay.
Okay,
One
fine, sir.
minute.
Yeah.
I'm just adding your that link here. Not this one. This is not that one. I have to give you the invite links. Invite links. Just a minute. I am copying the link. I am giving you in your Telegram. Please join, then I will permit you. Okay.
Okay, fine, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. God bless
Thank you
you.
so much, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
And I think you have asked for one more interview on 18th morning. Na?
Morning tomorrow, I have to leave by 8:30, sir.
You have to leave by 8:30. Then
Yeah,
can you get up at 6 o'clock, 6:30?
yeah, sir.
Will you be in a position to take interview at 6:30?
We can take it at 7, sir.
I don't mind. I don't mind doing
Yeah,
it at
we'll do it at
7.
7 o'clock.
7 means it will go up to 7:30. Then thereafter, is it time sufficient for you to prepare to leave?
Uh, okay,
No,
sir. We'll keep it at 6:30.
what happened? Where is your interview?
Uh, it's far by only, sir. It's around 5 to 6 kilometers from my home, so I have to
Then,
leave early.
acha, tomorrow itself your interview.
Yeah,
Oh God. Then do one thing. You try to keep at 6:30 as your timing for interview, and
Yeah,
be
sir.
ready. If it is getting delayed, okay, we will come at 7 o'clock. But then you must go through today newspaper, get to know what is today's Bombay Stock Exchange rate, what is Nifty Stock Exchange rate. I have told you yesterday now so many new points,
Yeah,
like
sir. I have
you
prepared
you
for
mu-
CRR, SLR,
you
and also
yeah, you must know about SLR, CRR, and all
repo and
those
reverse
rates,
repo.
repo rate, etc. And then in the questions itself, top I have given about save post office deposits interest rate and all. Please update your skills and go.
In
Best wishes.
which file, sir?
See, the A 2022 Federal Bank interview questions I have given you in the folder.
Yeah, sir. Okay. Are
I
these
will,
updated, sir? Those total advances, net profit, and all?
everything is given there. Everything is given there. And this is the one. Are you seeing on the screen now?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
This is the thing. This contains 176 pages questions that have been asked recently in this year 2022. Please go through them. Questions are mostly repeated.
These are for PO post.
Okay, maybe PO, but then slightly lesser level, they will ask for you also.
Yeah.
And the only advantage in your case is they will permit you to speak in Kannada. Thank you.